How do you add fractions that have different denominators? Before you can add, you need to find a common denominator and rewrite both fractions. Then you just add the numerators. Let's see how this works with 3/8 plus 5/12. First, we'll check the denominators. Are they the same or different? The denominators are different, 8 and 12. Before we can add, we need to find a common denominator. First, let's list multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. Now let's list multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48. Look for a number that appears in both lists. There it is, 24. This is the least common multiple of 8 and 12. So 24 is the least common denominator for our fractions, 3/8 and 5/12. Now rewrite both fractions with 24 as the denominator. Start with 3/8. What do we multiply 8 by to get 24? We multiply by 3. So multiply the numerator by 3 as well. 3 times 3 equals 9. The new fraction is 9/24. Now rewrite 5/12. What do we multiply 12 by to get 24? We multiply by 2. So multiply the numerator by 2 as well. 5 times 2 equals 10. The new fraction is 10/24. Now both fractions have the same denominator, 9/24 and 10/24. Now we can add. Add the numerators. 9 plus 10 equals 19. Keep the denominator, 24. So 3/8 plus 5/12 equals 19/24. To add fractions with different denominators, first find the least common denominator. Then rewrite both fractions with that denominator. Finally, add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. One important reminder: you cannot add fractions with different denominators. You must find a common denominator first and rewrite both fractions before adding. Now it's your turn. Let's add 1/4 plus 2/7. Let's work through it together. First, we need to find the least common denominator. Let's list multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Now let's list multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. What number appears in both lists? Yes, 28. So 28 is the least common denominator. Notice that 28 is also 4 times 7, the product of our two denominators. This happens when the denominators share no common factors. Now let's rewrite 1/4 with a denominator of 28. What do we multiply 4 by to get 28? We multiply by 7. So multiply the numerator by 7 as well. What is 1 times 7? It's 7. The new fraction is 7/28. Now rewrite 2/7 with a denominator of 28. What do we multiply 7 by to get 28? We multiply by 4. So multiply the numerator by 4 as well. What is 2 times 4? Yes, 8. The new fraction is 8/28. Now we can add. Add the numerators. What is 7 plus 8? It's 15. Keep the denominator. What is our answer? Yes, 15/28. To add fractions with different denominators, find the least common denominator first. Rewrite both fractions, then add the numerators and keep the denominator the same.